Alright guys, I'm gonna make a video right now as we speak about how to get CurseForge Feed the Beast mod pack. Because so many people are asking on how to do it, and I think a video would just be a lot easier on explanation. So, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up your browser. I have Opera GX, I really recommend that, or you can have Microsoft Edge, which is right here, perfectly fine. Alright, next step, you're gonna look up CurseForge. Okay? You're gonna get CurseForge. There's gonna be a download for Windows. And once that is downloaded, you're gonna obviously open it up. Okay? After that, you're gonna go to Browse Mod Packs. Once this is all down, you want... It says CurseForge. There's another one that says like FML, whatever. Don't worry about that. Get CurseForge. Okay? You're gonna look up... It's easier to look up just Hermit. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. You're gonna download that bad boy right there. 1.10.2. Right there. Okay? That's it. Okay, there's 104 mods on here. It's recommended that you have all this on here. Okay? Perfectly fine. And I believe I'm not going to edit this, so this is just going to be a quick video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.